training. So ngoba sesikhulumile, some of you will see Codename Branding and Balutita in NYDA. So those are some of the people that we've assisted through some of our special programs. So education and skills development. NYDA unama trainings out 3 are run throughout the year. The first one being the life skills. The life skills is a 1-day program. More than any other training with NYDA is a life skills because we can't train you on any other things now. You must set your right and then must then you can find you as easy. If you are looking for job opportunities, it's in a program, it's the job preparedness, which is also a 1-day program. Nakhona sikutrain ukuthi i-CV uyibhala kanjani in this day and age, u-apply kanjani kuma-online recruitment websites, u-apply kanjani kuma-emails. You'll be shocked ukuthi uthole umuntu omusho ufake i-application ngana-subject laphana kuyi-board ubhala ukuthi nayo kweleyo mpahla. So you must be honest with some of these things to say, even if CV is impressive, but once HR officer or HR manager wabona ukuthi nayo kweleyo mpahla, included application. So those are some of the silly mistakes that we do. Sifundisa izinto kanjalo, and at the end of that training, sikwenzisa mock interview where siyafundisa ukuthi ama-do's and don'ts. Uma interview behavior kanjani, uphendula kanjani, yini kumele wenze, yini kumele ungayenzi. For example, my first interview was with Mr. Price, still young, and ngibuyele emakhaya. And speaking of silly mistakes, in an interview, I feel because they might try it, and it's a true story. And they had to call me to order, but we are not here for this. And those are the silly mistakes as well as where they end up deducting among points we interview. So we train you on those things to say we must avoid some of these things so that you are well prepared for that opportunity. And then lastly, civil business management training. The business management training you're now, it's a 5 to 7 day program. You're on the certificate, was told about NYDA. Now, sekufundisa amado's and don'ts running business, record keeping, bookkeeping, marketing, your digital skills and all of those things. And then at the end of that training, over the last day where sequences are into sales pitch, so because I'm not elevator pitch much, when you are given a skill to stand before people and present your idea to potential funders. Because but if it is about some business, it's not easy standing in front of people. But if it is about some business, it's a skill that you must have. Because if also let a business plan, you must be able to speak that business plan. But so yes, it is a business management training. In business management training, it under the umbrella of entrepreneurship, whether it's grant, whether it's a voucher, whether it's mentorship, whether it's marketing kit. You cannot apply for those who might have training about business management. Unless unayo from a different institution, I'm getting you it's a system. If there is a module somewhere, it's fine, it's not bad, but you need to have that in order to apply for let's say get under entrepreneurship. And then similar employment opportunities. Employment opportunities, NYDA, most people don't know what even a jobs database where job seekers are able to register and attach a CV from the job preparedness. And then on our end will actively look for employment on your behalf. For example, this is an MOU or MOA with Mr. Price and Okasha, they come to the NYDA, it's a database of young people who are interested in entry-level jobs. So as I said, there are your entry-level jobs, internships, learnerships. If you have a specific qualification or specific sector, because I'm a center as but it's from the qualified who learn. So it's not jobs officer who's dedicated to finding employment for young people. So if you are a job seeker, make sure that you call our jobs database NYDA. Konke lokhu kutholakala online asikidingo sokuthi uzuze NYDA's ERP portal, where you just type erp.nyda.gov.za. Yes, it's erp.nyda.gov.za. So lapha ungena ubhala into eziwu-2, ubhala youth inquiry, ubhala partnership. If you've got opportunities for young people, you have partnership. But if you are looking for opportunities from the NYDA under youth inquiry, then you register a profile with us. Create a password, must be created under products and services. Yonke lento engikhulume ngayo uzoyithola phakathi and you apply for what you need. Sengiqeda, angijwayele ukukhuluma nge-NYS but ngizoyithi TASI because ibalulekile. I-NYS, in National Youth Service, is a wing under the NYDA where we look at or encourage abantu abasha to participate in community service work. We look at your social cohesion, izinto enjalo to say if ningabantu abasha mhlawumbe endaweni ngiyabona ukuthi yazi ikhresha ngasesikoleni ayiphendiwe ayicendiwe, we can come together and say community service work asambeni isikole ko-2 sithole uplende sihambe sosipenda isikole. So those are some of the things that we look at under NYS. But to NYS also through wona njengamanje kunama-opportunities now 100,000 that were presented by our board chair, Dr. Sunshine Nyende. That one is through NYS, where across the country we employ about 100,000 young people. So only is through NYS. So basically the inbox is as NYDA. We must follow on our social media platforms because what we do there is we collect all the opportunities that are there for young people. So I flag it under NYDA because we view ourselves as the vehicle that takes opportunities to young people. Thank you so much.